Hello guys, so for this weekend's vlog, I'm actually vlogging Jordan's birthday weekend. So we have a whole weekend planned for her. Yesterday we surprised her with like a whole itinerary. She pretty much had no idea we were doing anything, and now we have a bunch of plans. So today we're going on one of those like Hollywood bus tours, like for celebrities, because she loves that stuff. She lives for that stuff. So I thought that'd be a funny activity. And then we have a little PJ party tonight. Tomorrow we're doing like a picnic lunch thing at our house with some close friends. And then we're going to her favorite restaurant for dinner also tomorrow night. So that is the plan for the weekend. It should be super fun. Yeah, I want to take you guys along for the ride also. I never vlog like fun things, so I feel like this would be perfect time to do that. So we're headed out for the bus tour in like 5 minutes, and this is my outfit. This shirt is actually from Amazon. It's like an IMG dupe. It's a little awkwardly short here. Like if I pull it down, you see my bra, but then you see the bra under. I don't know, I feel like it's fine though. Jeans are Revice, Converse. Yeah, kind of want to bring these sunnies too. I got them from Amazon the other day. So cute. Okay, and all ready. Hey, here we go. There's our bus. Wow, look at it. I think we're the only ones on the bus.
It's really good. I'm really taking on the tourist.
Yeah, I love it. No,
as am I.
Star Trek tours, you guys. I'm Katie. We got lots to cover. I'm gonna go through Beverly Hills, West Hollywood, Sunset Boulevard, go up Mulholland Drive, see our hopefully nice cityscape. Totally will. Bye. Thanks for saying hi. So yes, from Star Trek tours and the Minions. Happy birthday to Jordan. Sing along.
Happy birthday to you. Yay. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so Jordan's in the shower now. We got back from the bus tour and started whispering because I wanted her to hear. But we have like a PJ sleepover thing tonight. So we got her this cute little set from Victoria's Secret. Put it on her bed when she comes out of the shower. Open it!
I saw this bag in your car. Oh, a little silk eye mask.
Yeah.
Ooh, crazy. Oh, is it PJ?
Yay!
That's so cute. Thank you guys.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's really cute.
Okay, so next order of business, I'm gonna make chocolate covered strawberries for our little picnic tomorrow. Haven't done this in a really long time, so I'm gonna Google like the best way to do it. I got like coconut oil because I heard that's the best way to like thin it out a bit. Do these not look like literally the best strawberries you've ever seen? Like, they just look so good. Look at how cute these look. I tried to do like a chocolate drizzle on top, but it didn't really work out. But these look super cute. Okay, all ready for the PJ sleepover party. So this is the outfit. Okay, so this top is from Princess Polly, and then I got these cute little PJ shorts from Amazon. Yeah, so that is it for tonight, I guess. I will see you guys tomorrow when it's her actual birthday. Hello guys, so it is day 2 of Jordan's birthday bash. It is actually her birthday today, so we have this cute little brunch planned. I'll show you guys what we have set up. We got like this picnic company to set up a little picnic in our backyard. Look at how cute it is. I love it. Yay, wait, what's the company called?
StyleMySoiree.la.
Yes.
Please use
Oh,
them.
yeah.
They're so nice.
Literally, they did an amazing job. You guys need to check them out if you're in LA. Like, this is so cute.
Tails.
Yay, our backyard has never looked better.
No, literally.
We also got some stuff to make a cute little cheese board, some meringues. Oh my god, this cake Jordan got. Look at this cake, guys. Like, this is insane. And then the strawberries are up here. It's so cute. So I need to go get ready because I look disgusting, but it's all coming together. We really pulled it together this morning. This is the outfit. This dress is from an Instagram store. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll have it linked down below. And some Converse. Yeah, I mean, not that special, but really pulled it together. Okay, here's our little spread. We got a lot of cheese boards, some vegetables, cookies, flowers. Super cute. Yay. Outfit.
Zara.
She was really wrong.
Wait, actually no, H&M.
Oh.
What?
Yeah. Yay! Okay, birthday girl.
Zara. Chanel. Sasha's beads.
Oh.
It's a little strawberry.
Yeah.
Jordan?
That's
Zara?
alright.
Zara, Vivian, Princess Polly.
Yay, cutie. Oh yeah, everyone's wearing Zara.
I got ready in 5 seconds.
You look great.
Not ready.
Can you guys say hi to my vlog? Hey, you guys look cute there. Aw, couple goals.
All the boys.
Olivia.
Show her your outfits from.
Yeah, Olivia, actually that's really cute.
Okay, this is from Urban.
Cute.
Love and Lemon.
Love and Lemon.
And then Golden Goose Shoes.
Wait, Ella, it's so dark.
This is from Sheen, Reformation Vintage, Urban Outfitters, Vivian Westwood.
Cute.
La Ropa, Cartier, Sinclair,
Okay.
Givenchy,
Ooh.
Chrome Heart,
Wow.
J. Crew, and Gucci.
Oh my god, so
Adidas.
drippy.
Unbelievable.
Okay, now next outfit of the day. So the picnic is over, literally 20-minute turnaround time. Everyone just left and now we're gonna go to dinner at our favorite restaurant, Craig's. So good, you guys need to try it. It's like an Italian restaurant, or I guess it's kind of like Italian-American restaurant in West Hollywood. So yummy. We go there probably like once or twice a semester. But this is my outfit. So this shirt is from Revolve, pants are from Fred Siegel, boots from Urban, Louis bag. That's it. Yeah.
They keep doing this. This is a good bread.
This is the yummy bread.
Vlog. This is a good bread.
That bread.
So yum.
It's like your face was wanting to do it.
So good always.
Hi vlog, we're being secret because Charlie D'Amelio's parents are here. Mia saw them first.
I spotted them.
Mia goes.
I'm like,
Happy birthday to you.
stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Cookies,
Oh my god, there's more.
chocolate,
Oh my goodness.
vanilla.
Wow.
Wow.
Oils.
This is
Cuties.
Good night, vlog. Good night. 10 out of 10 birthday weekend.
Hey.
So much fun. Thanks for coming along to join me. And we will see you. Wait, trigger warning, dizziness. We will see you next weekend.